So, who would you buy this lovely set for? It's a gorgeous set. I would give it to my friends, and so that their skin looks really amazing. Can you imagine when they're opening it, and, you know, how excited they'll be that they're going to have these products that so many famous people, so many royal people have used. It's really a special moment in their lives. So this is a pink set, and wow, isn't it gorgeous? You've got a cleanser there, and this is a cleanser for any skin type, but more mature skin type. So it really helps the skin look younger and more vibrant. It actually helps if you've got sort of menopause as well, little spots. It balances out the emotions, and it balances out the skin. It's gorgeous. And you've got the orange flower here. Favourite product. I mean, most kits, they don't have your very favourites. These are the favourite must-haves. So this one is hydrogel. So it's a toner, but it's also a gel. So it can go under your eyes and actually take away puffiness. And it will remove puffiness as well as hydrating little fine lines. It's also a toner. So it's nice to have a multi-use product that you can use all the time. Now everybody loves a wash. So these are our favourite products in here for people. And the price is a really good value price. So you've got a favourite cleanse and foam wash. So when you're using that cleanse and foam, all the skin is exfoliating and taking away, so you've got brand new cells showing through. And you just moisturise it with another product that is anti-aging and takes away pigmentation. So people who would use this, there's all skin types, young and old, because if there's any scars, but it's a really intensive treatment range that really helps the skin, and it makes the skin look so good and so lovely and young. All skin types.